Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. If it's your first time here, hi, I'm so glad you're here. Please do stick around. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful handmade beaded card holder, or you could call it your mini beaded wallet. And this tutorial is actually very simple and easy to make. Guys, let's get right into the video, okay? Materials needed. To proceed, you cut out a line you're comfortable in working with, and then we're going to be starting with 4 beads. You string down those 4 beads into your line like this, and then you cross both ends of your line into the last bead added. Draw that all the way down, and this should be giving you your first ring, just like this. To proceed, on both sides of your line, you add 1 bead each. 1 bead each on both sides of your line like this, and then you cross both ends of your line into another bead. Drag that all the way down, and that should be giving you your second ring. Again, on both sides of your line, you add 1 bead each like this, and then you cross both ends of your line into another bead. Drag that all the way down, and this should be giving you your third ring. Just like this. To proceed, on both sides of your line, you add 1 bead each. Add 1 bead each on both sides of your line, just like this. And then again, you cross both ends of your line into another bead. Drag that all the way down, and this should be giving you your fourth ring. So guys, now we have 4 rings in total. Our desired length is 12. So we'll be doing that off camera, and we'll meet right back here on our 11th ring, okay? So this is our 11th ring, guys, and we're about to complete it to make it 12th ring. So on our left line, we're going to be adding 2 beads, and then we'll cross both ends of your line into another bead. Just like this, we'll cross both ends of our line into that last bead. Drag that all the way down. This should be taking us to the next row, just like this. Now to proceed on this second row, on our left line, we're going to be adding 3 beads. Like this, and then we'll cross both ends of our line into that last bead added. Drag that all the way down, and this should be giving us our first ring on the second row. To proceed, our right line goes into the next bead. And then on our left hand side, we're going to be adding 2 beads like this, and then we'll cross both ends of our line into that last bead added. Drag that all the way down, and this should be giving us our second ring, in our second row. Sorry, the rope is actually, but we'll survive, sha. Okay, this is it. Then our right line goes into the next bead, and on our left hand side, we're going to be adding 2 beads. Like this, and then cross both ends of our line into that last bead added. Like this. Now we're going to continue with that pattern till we get to the last bead. Okay, so we're almost at the last bead. Let's complete it together. Our right line goes into the next bead, and then on our left hand, and still on that right hand, sorry, still on that right line, we're going to be adding 2 beads, and then we'll cross both ends of our line into that last bead added. This should be taking us to the next row, just like this. Okay, I like to flip my work. To work the way I work, I flip it over to my side like this. Okay, now to proceed, on my left hand side, my left line, I'm going to be adding 3 beads, and then cross both ends of my line into that last bead added. I'll drag that all the way down, and this should be giving me my first string on my third row. To proceed, my right line goes into the next bead, and then on my left line I'll be adding 2 beads. Then I'll cross both ends of my line into that last bead added. Again, my right line goes into the next bead, and on my left hand side I'll be adding 2 beads, like this, and I'll be crossing both ends of my line into that last bead added, just like this. So right now, this we've gotten to this stage, we're just going to keep on with that pattern till we get to 15 rows. We're going to be making 15 rows in total. 15 rows in total. Guys, this is what halfway there. This is just 8 rows. Let's keep up with the same pattern till we get to our 15 row. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, this is it. We are here now on our 15 rows. This is 15 by 12. So we have 15 by 12. The next thing we're going to do is to close the wallet, sorry, to close the wallet. So we're going to fold into 2, leaving it to be 7 on the sides and 1 on the base. Like we'll have 7 on each side while 1 on the base. So now to close the side of the bag or the wallet, sorry, we're going to be adding 1 bead, and then we'll close with 1 bead. We'll cross both ends of our line into that last one bead, sorry. Now to proceed, both of our lines go into the next bead. That's the right line goes into the next right bead, and the left line goes into the next left bead. Once that is done, we'll cross both ends of our line into 1 bead, like this. To proceed, both of our line goes into the next bead. That's our right line goes into the next right bead, and our left line goes into the next left bead. And then we're going to cross both ends of our line into 1 bead, just like this. This is actually, we're just going to keep up with this pattern till we get to the end of this side of our bag, and then once we get to the end, we're just going to we're just going to pass around our line and end it. So guys, we're done passing around our line. Now we'll have to cut out all loose thread, just like this. And we're done with one side of our wallet. So we're going to repeat everything we just did now to this other side of the wallet. We're going to repeat same thing. And this is exactly what you should be having. Remember to cut out all loose thread so that your work will not look rough. We like our work neat as always. So guys, we're done with the making of our beaded card holder, or you could call it your mini wallet, whichever you want to. And do not forget, you can also make this in any color of your choice, also feel free to increase the size of your wallet whichever way you want it, but you can also make it in any color of your choice. And we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope today's tutorial was really helpful. Please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification bell. This would help keep you informed whenever I post any new video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me down till this moment. I really do appreciate. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.